Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Plug the data cable into the modem's Ethernet port, then into the router's WAN port. This creates the physical path for packets. Once done, power the modem first, wait for stable LEDs, then power the router. Staggering avoids IP conflicts. Make sure you have ISB credentials handy because the router may request PPPoE login. This sequence reduces handshake errors and gets you into the configuration stage quickly. Once the hardware link is live, you configure the router so your devices can reach the internet. Log into the router GUI using 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1, enter admin credentials and navigate to WAN settings. Choose DHCP if ISB assigns an IP automatically, or select PPPoE and enter your username and password. That step authenticates your session. Then set a LAN IP range, and you finish by verifying and troubleshooting the connection. Test by pinging 8, 8, 8, 8 or loading multiple websites. Check router status pages and LEDs to confirm WAN IP and DNS assignment. If there's no internet, power cycle modem then router, reseat the data cable, and recheck WAN configuration. Small errors cause most failures. If problems persist, capture screenshots of status pages, perform a factory reset as a last resort, and call your ISB with details. Having log speeds diagnosis and resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.